Hello everyone, today I'm here with CC Design and I'm using the adorable African animals and I'll be using that sweet little giraffe. I find they're so cute for little baby cards. Any occasion they would do, but I just think baby cards would be fun. So here is the paper pack that I used from Doodlebug. Perfect to go with my little giraffe because there's little giraffes on it. So I have the pocket tag die. That is from Jada Blossom. So you can put a little gift card inside. And I also use the stitch circle die and the scallop circle dies. And here it is cut up. It does not fit on a 6x6. You see some tape there. I made it work. You can do that, because it just folds just to say a little bit where, you're gonna see a little line, but I didn't care. And here I'm just gonna glue the little tag here. So if you have an 8x8 paper, would be perfect. It just, like I said, I wanted to use this pattern, so I made it work. And here I'm just making sure it's nice and glued down. And here's another one that I used from that pack. I didn't show it. I had forgot that I used it. I'm just gonna do another layer. And glue that one down. And it almost covers that little line that is not supposed to be there. And here's some ribbon that I'm gonna put on the top. This was a project that I did for CC Design, I think a couple weeks ago. As if you listen to my other videos, my husband was off for a couple weeks, so I took a holiday too, and call it a holiday. Shouldn't call it a holiday. We worked so hard doing our yard, yes. And the last day of his holiday, it was a Saturday, so Sunday. Saturday, I hurt myself, so I've been trying to get better. My leg is hurting so badly, but I'm pushing on and going for my walk still. So there, I'm just gonna tie it with some twine and make it a pretty bow to match. So yes, this was for a couple weeks ago. I was gonna do the voiceover sooner, but just, was super busy. As I said before, better late than never. Yep. So here I'm just gonna trim my ribbon down and just play with my ribbon so it looks a little fuller. Just spread them. There. So perfect for a gift card. I'm gonna get the die that makes like a pocket for the gift card a little later. I just found that it was a little sloppy in there, so you'll see that a little later on the video. And here I'm just popping my circle and putting that kind of in the center. So I want my little giraffe to be stands out and the focal of it. So there, putting a little, again, the same pattern paper as the background. See, she's so cute. So here we go. We're gonna go color her. I'll show you how I did her. The YR21 for the lighter shade of yellow. I always loved giraffe for a baby's room. I don't know, had that in my daughter's room. The YR24 and blend those two together. And as I say all the time is, if your colors are not blending nicely, just touch the nib of the darker one and it will help blend those two together. It's a beautiful day today. It's so nice and warm. Calling for rain for a couple days, but we need the rain, so we'll be happy to see the rain. So I'm just laying a lighter shade and now tracing with the darker and blending those two together. So I'll be posting this one after I'm done with it, and we'll have a video for Monday for Ink and Splatter, and I will have okay, where are we? Okay, yeah, Monday. I thought I had another one for this week. I'm all lost. So now I have the YR27 for the darker shade, and I'm just doing the dots on her and around her mouth and the little horns. I guess that's little horns. And there. Her little nose is the same color as her skin color or fur color. Okay, so RV11 for the ears. And I'm going to start with the pencil. So it's a small image, so it's going to be quick and easy. And I'm putting around the ear also, so it's not just pink in there. So if you haven't seen, this is part of the May release, this cute set. Go check it out. I think this one only has one left. I just went to look at the name of it, and yeah, there was only one of these ones left in the store. Received the ones for this month coming. They are super cute. Super cute. Didn't touch them yet. Didn't have the time yet, but will be soon. Yeah, getting into that. Okay, so now I'm looking at my calendar and I see the day. So I will have a post Monday for Ink and Splatter, Wednesday for CC Design, and Friday for CC Design because it's release week. I'm just like clicking right now. I'm late also with Ink and Splatter. I thought it's next week's post I was supposed to do. So yeah. So there's my little giraffe. How cute is that? Super cute. So I'm going to glue her right in the middle of that circle. Yeah, I'm all confused. It's not good when you take holidays because you get confused. So I put a bunch of pop dots there. So she's pop dotted and she's the focal of the gift card holder. How adorable is that? So sweet. And I'm going to stamp a sentiment. And I did something wrong. As you could probably tell, I should have not put her down. So I don't want to put a banner. I said, no, I'm not putting a banner. So I pulled this off. I left it there so you can see. I do mistakes too. I do lots of mistakes. In there, I stamped my sentiment. There you go. And now I'll put my little giraffe back down in place, just like so. Cute, cute. So there's the back of it. In there, I'm going to show you. See how there's little slots there for your gift card. And I used the same paper again because it matched and it's fun. And I'm just going to put a gift card from Walmart. And this is the die I used, and the goodie bag die. Just the top layer of that to create my little gift card holder to go inside. And then it's not so sloppy in there to just have a card in there. It's kind of sloppy, I found. So there, it makes the project much cuter. There. And I'll show you again the products that I used for this project. So of course the adorable animals and the paper and some dies from Jada Blossom. Yeah, so super fun. And the circles. And again, here's my project. So hope you like my project. And like I said, I'll be back on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday with some other project for you. So see you later. Bye.